is that?
What the heck? The freak? Dude, it looks like a nest.
It's upside down.
Shut up. Looks like a nest or something like that. I'm gonna poke it.
I dare you.
Oh, we're taking a video.
Oh yeah. Okay, I don't want like big rowdy things to come out of there, so let's just leave it there.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh. That must be.
That freaking hurt my feet like crap.
You don't need to get ready. I look like crap.
I know. Just kidding. I'll do that. My feet are.